Welcome student. Now we will discuss some specific example of aromatic substitution reaction of benzene. Okay, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, that is the characteristic reaction of all aromatic compound. Now first example, halogenation of benzene. What is the meaning of halogenation? Halogenation means what? Halogenation means replacement of hydrogen by halogen. If any AH is any organic compound, and from this compound if we are going to replacing hydrogen atom by halogen atom, then we will get this type of compound. This chemical process where in which there is replacement of hydrogen from the reactant by halogen atom, that is called halogenation reaction. Now halogenation of benzene means what? Suppose if we are going to replacing one or more hydrogen atom from benzene by halogen atom, then that is called halogenation of benzene. For just I will try to write this reaction. This is benzene, and from this benzene I am going to replacing one or more, for example one hydrogen, by halogen atom. Then this type of product obtained, that is called halogenation of benzene. Now particularly chlorination, halogenation are of different type. Chlorination, if we are replacing hydrogen atom by chlorine, then chlorination. If we are going to replacing hydrogen atom by bromine, then bromination. Similarly iodination. Okay, now in halogenation what we have to do? See, benzene is react with halogen molecule. Benzene is react with halogen molecule, like in presence of catalyst like anhydrous AlCl3 or FeBr3 or something different, Lewis acid, any Lewis acid. Okay, so these catalysts are required for the generation of electrophile. We will explain in we will discuss in mechanism. Okay, then hydrogen atom from the benzene ring get replaced by halogen and it will form this type of product, that is monohaloderivative benzene compound or monohaloderivative of benzene. Okay, so this is halogenation. Now just consider chlorination of benzene. Chlorination of benzene. Just to carry out chlorination of benzene, what we have to do? This benzene is treated with chlorine molecule, chlorine Cl2, in presence of catalyst anhydrous AlCl3, and some heat is also required. Then it will form chlorobenzene. Plus HCl. That is product is chlorobenzene. Okay. Now we will discuss the mechanism steps in detail involved in this reaction. See, there is replacement of hydrogen by chlorine, so it is chlorination of benzene. Now what happened during reaction? Now discuss mechanism. See what happened. This chlorine molecule react with anhydrous AlCl3. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. It has tendency to gain electron pair. It has tendency to gain lone pair of electron from other species. Therefore, it is Lewis acid. During reaction, what happened? This chlorine molecule interact with AlCl3. This bonding electron pair and first interact and then form. This bonding electron pair completely shifted toward AlCl3 and form Cl plus AlCl3 bonding electron pair negative and it is positive. Okay, like this. Then this is Cl plus is a electrophile. So initially chlorine molecule react with AlCl3 and form electrophile Cl plus and side product. Okay, then in step 1, this electrophile react with benzene ring, this bonding electron pair, okay, and form uranium ion, carbocation. This is step 1. This is slow as we know and rate determining step. Okay, so this is electrophile going to attack on one of the carbon atom of benzene ring and form carbocation. Okay, in step 1. And in step 2, similar steps we already discussed in common mechanism. In step 2, this carbocation, from this carbocation H plus get depart, and that is this is and gain aromaticity plus AlCl3 plus HCl side product. Okay, and catalyst regenerate, see this, and this is side product. Okay, so this is chlorobenzene. See, in step 1 what happened? Initially this chlorine molecule react with Lewis acid anhydrous AlCl3 and form electrophile Cl plus and side product AlCl4 minus. Okay, now Cl plus is a electrophile, AlCl4 negative nucleophile. Among these two, electrophile Cl plus will going to attack on benzene ring and form get convert into carbocation. This step is slow because this is aromatic compound and product carbocation is a non-aromatic compound. Therefore, it is in lower, its stability is low as compared to this benzene. Therefore, this step is slow and it is considered as a rate determining step. In step 2, what happened? This carbocation, from this carbocation H plus get abstracted by this AlCl4 minus. Okay, abstract H plus without bonding electron pair, and this bonding electron pair get involved in the aromatization process, and there is a departure of H plus, and that H plus form HCl and catalyst again regenerate AlCl3 with the formation of product chlorobenzene. So this is the mechanism for chlorination of benzene. Similarly, we are also having bromination of benzene, only here instead of Cl2 we have to use Br2, and instead of AlCl3 we have to use ferric bromide as a catalyst. Very simple, very simple. Let us I will write bromination, similar mechanism, bromination. In bromination also, benzene react with anhydrous Fe, benzene molecule react with bromine molecule in presence of Br3, and then there is replacement of hydrogen from benzene ring by bromine. There is a formation of bromobenzene. If we study its mechanism, you will find initially this bromine molecule react with FeBr3 and there is formation of bromonium ion Br plus with Br4 minus. Okay, Br plus is electrophile, FeBr4 minus is nucleophile. Then Br plus get involved in step 1. In step 1, this Br plus attack or form bond with this bonding electron pair involved in the bond formation with Br plus with the formation of carbocation, that is known as uranium ion, and this then this is slow step as we know, and in step 2 this carbocation lose H plus from benzene ring and regain aromatic character. FeBr4 minus H plus. This bonding electron pair involved in aromatization for gaining aromatic character again. This plus HBr plus FeBr3 regeneration of catalyst. Okay, so this is bromobenzene. Okay, so in this way we got monosubstituted product from benzene. Okay, so chlorination and bromination. Similarly, iodinization is there. Iodinization means there is replacement of hydrogen by iodine from benzene ring, but this reaction is reversible, therefore not possible easily. So only remember bromination, mechanism for chlorination and bromination. So student, in next video we will going to discuss nitration, sulfonation and remaining electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. Thank you very much.